Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing my experience with the Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer. One of the first things that stood out to me about the Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer is its compact design. It doesn't take up much room in the garage, it's lightweight enough to move around easily, and transporting it from one cleaning area to another is very convenient. For homeowners who want something practical and easy to store, instead of a large, bulky, gas-powered pressure washer, this is a great fit. Assembly was straightforward right out of the box. The instructions were easy to follow, the hose and accessories connected without any issues, and the overall setup process only took a few minutes. The machine also feels well built and sturdy, which gave me confidence in its quality from the start. The feature I appreciate most is the automatic motor shutoff. Instead of running continuously, the motor automatically stops when you release the trigger and starts again when you begin spraying. This makes the unit noticeably quieter during use and much less annoying compared to some other pressure washers I've used. It also seems like a feature that could help reduce wear on the motor over time. Performance has been very solid for typical household cleaning tasks. I've used it for general outdoor cleaning, including concrete surfaces, siding, patio furniture, and vehicles. It provides plenty of cleaning power for those types of jobs and does a good job removing dirt, dust, and grime without feeling underpowered. For everyday homeowner use, I think the performance is more than adequate. Another thing I like is how simple it is to get up and running. Once everything is connected, you're ready to start cleaning in just a few minutes. There's no dealing with gasoline, oil changes, or pull starting an engine, which makes the overall experience much more convenient. One thing I'd recommend to new users is making sure the spray tip is fully locked into the wand before turning the machine on. It can feel a little stiff when installing it for the first time, so it's worth double checking. Once properly secured though, everything works exactly as expected. There are a couple of minor downsides worth mentioning. The power cord and hose can become tangled fairly easily, especially if you're moving around a lot during longer cleaning sessions. It's not a major problem, but it does require a little extra attention while working. The other small complaint is the soap bottle. It works fine, but it's on the smaller side. For larger cleaning jobs, you may need to refill it more often than you'd like. Even with those minor drawbacks, the positives easily outweigh the negatives for me. The compact footprint, easy setup, solid cleaning performance, lightweight design, and automatic shutoff feature all combine to make this a very user-friendly pressure washer. Overall, the Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer has been a great addition to my cleaning tools. It's easy to use, easy to store, and delivers reliable performance for everyday household cleaning projects. If you're looking for a convenient electric pressure washer for home use, this model is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys and have a great day.